a review show that is only and only for biking and tech enthusiasts. Today I am here with Benelli's TNT 600i with an IXIL aftermarket exhaust. It's an X55 slip-on and the 180 section rear tire. Let's hear the sound of this machine. That is an IXIL 600 maddest note, which you can hear from an inline 4 600cc class, and that's absolutely good. And that is also got a trellis frame with an inline 4 6-speed constant mesh gear, you can notice, and either side that's a naked bike, so you can see an inline 4 pipes. Its flaunch is inline 4 pipes, which you can clearly see, and it's a 600cc 8 box engine, which produces a max power of 84 bhp at 11,500 rpm. That's awesome. From the